my channel. Today I wanted to make a video in which, as you can see, I have absolutely no makeup on. It is about 9 a.m. right now, and all I did was wake up, wash my face, brush my teeth, and that is it. The reason I wanted to do this is because I have received lately a lot of comments from family and friends asking me what am I doing different that my skin is looking so bright and alive, and I haven't had pretty much any acne breakouts in the past few months. So it got me thinking that yeah, I do have some habits that I strongly believe allow me to have this kind of skin, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So in today's video I'm going to share with you 2 or 3 things that I do every day that I strongly believe help me keep my skin the way it is right now. So I really hope you can take those tips and apply them for yourself, and you can see great results, and I hope you enjoy it. So the main things that I like to do that I have noticed really have helped my skin thrive are the following. Every morning before I eat anything, so I'm in fast mode, I like to take a cup of water, and then I get a tablespoon and I use Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and it's very important for it to have the mother. So I give it a little shake, and then all I do is just put in a tablespoon of vinegar into my water, just like that. Whoop! I did a little bit more, but whatever. And then you mix it in together and just drink it. You'll get used to the taste. I actually don't mind it anymore because I drink this twice a day. I drink it in the morning and then at night before I go to bed. And this really helps you take out all the toxins out of your skin, and it helps also burn fat, which it has so many benefits. I know there are millions of videos out there on YouTube talking about the benefits of apple cider vinegar, and I have tried it myself and I have seen results, so I highly recommend it. And then after that, every morning after I wash my face, I just wash it with normal lukewarm water and some castor soap. I grab a cotton ball and I put a little bit of apple cider vinegar on it, and I just clean my face with it. You can literally feel how it's cleaning your pores, because you feel kind of like a little sizzling in your pores. And this really helps get in there, take all the micro dirts from your pores. And even after you wash your face, you can still see that the cotton ball, it took some dirt out. So that really helps me also keep the tone of my skin uniform, and it's very nice. So if you saw my makeup video, which I put recently on my YouTube channel, I mentioned how after I wash my face, I really like to moisturize with an all-natural lotion. And I always go to my Green Apples Nutrition lotion, and I really like it because it's made with 100% natural organic ingredients that have no chemicals, no harsh scents, or none of that that's going to clog up my pores and cause chemicals to go inside my pores, which is what I'm trying to avoid. So I highly recommend them. I will put the link to their website and also their YouTube channel down in the description, and you will find in their YouTube channel awesome homemade recipes and also how to make stuff at home that will help your skin and your hair tremendously. But it's very important also to keep in mind that your skin is the biggest organ you have. That being said, you really need to take care of it also from the inside out. Just like you take care of your heart, you can't put stuff on your heart. You have to take care of it from the inside out. So one of the main things, like I mentioned earlier in this video, is that we're trying to expulse any toxins from our body. So that being said, you need to have a very strong immune system. So I like to take Green Apples Nutrition's acidophilus, or probiotics, because that's how it's commonly known, as probiotics. I take about 2 or 3 of these a day, and it's keeping me super healthy on the inside. It's keeping my good bacteria levels up, and it's helping me also remove toxins from my body, and that I feel strongly has helped tremendously in my skincare routine. Now, everybody and their mother have said how important it is to drink water. You see it on the Dr. Oz show, you read it on newspapers, everywhere, how important it is to intake water every day. I love water. That's all I drink. I don't drink soda, I don't drink boxed juices or none of that. I just like to drink water. I actually bought this at Walmart for like $14. It's 64 ounces, so that's about 8 cups. And I drink typically about 1.5 of these a day. So I intake a lot of water, and that also has helped me so much have an even tone on my skin. It has helped me avoid breakouts because I'm constantly washing and flushing out my body from toxins because I'm drinking so much water. These are very, very, very easy and inexpensive things you can do at home with no trouble at all. All you need to do is just be consistent about it, and you will start seeing results immediately. Because when you can get to the point when you can go out and not wear any makeup because your skin looks healthy, that's where you want to be. So my loves, I truly hope that this video has helped you and that you're able to implement these things in your daily life so you can start seeing results now. And in the next videos, I'll be showing you other stuff that I like to do, other small routines that I do that I know have helped me tremendously, not only with my skin, but with my hair and with my overall health. So I'll be seeing you next time in my videos, loves. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos.